નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Post Independence India. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have to learn about the regional inequality. Why there was a regional inequality, dear children? We have to learn in the previous lecture that the foreign ruler did not undertake the development activity in the place where they would not get any economic profit, and because of that what we have to find out the regional inequality in such places. Second thing, also we have to learn that the resource of the development grant given are the factor of the regional inequality. And sometimes what happens that the people are sick, their personal motive related to the flow of water and the minerals, industrial raw material in the agriculture sector, and because of that this regional inequality and narrow minded is tremendously harmful for the unity of the country. And the last we have learned that the preserving the country of the dignity superior position should be planned rather than taking interest in the regional development. Same in the previous lecture we have learned about the scientific and technological development. In scientific and technological development we have to learn that India made extraordinary achievement in the field of the science and technology in the last half century. And also we have learned that after the independence many leaders and the scientists given their more contribution for achieving the India's success in the field of the science and technological development, like example Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Raja Ramana, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Sam Pitroda, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This name the people, they are given them more contribution in the field of the science and technological development for India. Same way we also learned the previous lecture that Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Space Research Organization and Physical Research Laboratory are the glorious example of the India's contribution at the world level for achieving the development in the field of science and technology. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the scientific and technological development given by the contribution of the woman. So, we know very well that the woman of the India was also played a noticeable role for in the field of the science and technology. So, women of India has also played a noticeable role. Now, dear children, if you have to see the name there, Janki Amma, they given in the field of the flora vegetation. Second one, Asima Chatterjee, they given their contribution in the field of the chemistry. Third, Dr. Indira Ahuja, they given their contribution in the field of the medicine. After Shakuntala Devi, they given their contribution on the mathematician and the human computer. Next, Kalpana Chawla, they given the contribution in the field of the astronaut Avkash Kshetra. And sixth one, Sunita Williamson, they given their contribution in the field of the astronaut. So dear children, here this all are the name of the woman, the Janki Amma, Dr. Indira Ahuja, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Shakuntala Devi, Asima Chatterjee. These all are the name of the woman that given a very good contribution for noticeable for the development of the scientific and technological field for the Indias, and we feel the proud for them. Women of the India have given the contribution as the large in other sector to which brought further progress to the other countries. So what happened that here children, we can say that this woman contribution given in the large way comparison with the other sector which brought the further progress for our nation. At the time of our independence, dear children, what happened that at the time of independence we were dependent on the other for the food grain. Which time they are saying that, dear children? They are saying about the time of the independence. That time we are dependent on the other nation on for the food grains. In making the use of the self-reliant in we have been able to achieve the green revolution. At that time, what happened then, dear children? India was doing the green revolution for self-dependent on food grains, agriculture institution, laboratory, agriculture university have been established to achieve the growth in the agriculture science. So what happened then, dear children? We can say that to achieve the growth in the agriculture science, because of that agriculture institution located in Junagadh is there. So what happened? This agriculture institution, laboratory, agriculture university is there. Junagadh Agriculture University is there. Same way, this whole university, institution, laboratory, this all have been established to achieve the growth in the agriculture science. India has indeed made a scientific significant headway in the nuclear science and the technology. India has established the research institute and laboratory for the peaceful purpose of its nuclear power. What they would given that, dear children, they would given that India has also established the research institute as well as the laboratory for the peaceful purpose as well as for the nuclear weapons and the nuclear power. Nuclear scientists and engineers have given their constructed ultra modern nuclear reactor in the power stations by successfully, if you to see, by successfully conducting the nuclear test twice at Pokhran in Rajasthan. We have been successful in making the nuclear bomb. What they have given that, dear children? They have given that by successfully conducting the nuclear test twice at Pokhran in Rajasthan, and we have been successful for making the nuclear bomb. India's achievement in very short time in the space research technology is the spectacular. What they have given that, dear children? They have given that the India's achievement is very short time in the space research technology. Which space research technology in this spectacular stuff. And same way, we have developed the space shuttle. What they have given that we have developed the space shuttle of the Geosperino satellite launch vehicles, GSLV. What they have given that, that's why, dear children, we have also developed GSLV for what? For space shuttles. What was the full form of GSLV? Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicles. GSLV, to launch a satellite in the outer space. We also have launched a satellite in outer space. What they have given that, dear children? They have given that India was also launching the satellite into the space, and the satellite light. Now, dear children, they have given the name of the satellite. Underline it. First, Aryabhat. Which one? Aryabhat in 1975, Bhaskar in 1979, Rohini in 1979, etc. These all are the name of the satellite. They are launched outer space by the India, are successfully conducting the nuclear test, telecasting, education, weather, and getting the information about the mineral through the remote sensing system. What happened, dear children? By successfully launching of the satellite, we are getting also conducting the nuclear test, telecasting, education, weather reports, and getting the information about mineral through the remote sensing system. In the last 1 decade, what happened, dear children? They have given that in the last decade we have made a significant progress in the field of the telecommunication and the information technology through computer, internet, mobile, smartphone, tablet, fax, email, Twitter, computer, WhatsApp. So now India is considered in the rest of the developed nation. Dear children, they have given that the India is also doing very fast progress in the field of telecommunication as well as the information technological center also, through which we are using the different kinds of technology in day-to-day life. Application of computer is successfully in administrating the large, mainly for the indirect use of environment preservation and the carbon credit. last year children they have given that the use of biotechnology in industry, energy, agriculture, health and the continuous research and development in the field have resulted in the maximum. What they have given that here children? They have given that the use of the biotechnology in the industry, energy, agriculture, health, that all these things they are given the achievement for the great result, and we can say that this result are concerned with the maximum like digital India and the make in India are the world famous underlining, and because of that what happened that digital India and the make in India now today the world famous is their marine research and continuous development, human resource development, labor development, this including the education, healthcare sector to continuous involving making the progression. So dear children, they given that 21st June has been declared as a World Yoga Day. Underlining which day is declared as a World Yoga Day, dear children? 21st June has been declared as a World Yoga Day by the United Nations, which show the glowing future of the India. And this thing showing the which showing the glowing futures of the India. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us